I'm going to show you how to get free gold. These are called RJ45 connectors, and they're everywhere around. People throw these away every day, and this is gold plating. And I'm going to show you how to get it. All right, we're going to need this. We're going to use this. It's here. Now we're going to see how much we have. And we got 50 grams. How much gold do you think's here? All right, we got 49 grams of connectors. How much gold do you think's that? We're going to take this outside. And we need to go in here. And we need this. So we just need enough to cover it. We're going to let it sit overnight. Since we're not adding heat, I'm going to add this, and it will speed along the process. Okay, I did use some heat. You can see the green in the solution. That's the solution work. All right, this is my gold.
It doesn't look like it touched the pins yet. I can see the pins moving, so I think they're hollow actually. I'm going to pour the liquid in here so I can save it. Because it's still good. We can reuse it. I actually did see a little piece of gold go in here, and this is what it looks like now.
I'm going to spray this with water and try to release the gold. Look at it now. All that floating gold. See it?
So this is my gold, and I'm going to melt it. It's not going to be a lot, but I want you to see how it will look when you straight melt it. Without refining, this will be 14 karat gold, which is around 60% gold.
All right, time to filter. All right, here's my gold. Here's the rinse water.
Next, we melt.